Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sister Danae, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I got these beautiful soft locks slash new locks. Mine are 24 inches. 36 inches just, that's too long for me. So yeah, this is how they look. And I'm 5'6", 6'1.5". And yeah, so this hair was sent to me by ZRQ Hair on Amazon. So shout out to them for sending me this hair, and I got 6 packs of 24 inches for only $36. So that's good. And I only used 3 packs of hair, so I have 3 packs left in case I want to do it again. So that's like, it's a 2-for-1. Good deal. But everything that I used, where you can get it, will be linked down below. And this is the hair that I used to wrap it with, and I got this from my beauty supply store. It's just a springy Afro twist in 24 inches, and it came with like 3 bundles, and I had 2 packs, and this is all that I have left. So I used 5 bundles. So let's jump into the tutorial. So I went ahead and started, and this is how they look so far. And I'm going to show you how I got this look. So the hair that I wrapped with is already kind of pre-sectioned, as you can see. So I'm just going to take one of those pieces, and I'm going to split it where it like naturally separates, making 2 pieces. And I'm only going to wrap it with half of that one piece. So I already crocheted the lock in, and I didn't record it. That was a mistake. But I'm going to show you the next one, how I crochet it in. But right now I'm just going to show you how I wrap it. So I don't put my hair in the middle of it like some people do. All I do is just wrap the spring twist hair on top, just like this. And I'm going to wrap it around maybe 2 or 3 times at the root, just so it doesn't move. And then I wrap down. You want to make sure you wrap it tight so your hair doesn't come out, but not too tight that it's, that it's uncomfortable. So when I get to the end, I just wrap it back up, and that's it. I don't use any glue. Now you can if that makes you feel better or whatever, but I didn't have to use any glue. It just stayed in place. Also, this part right here is optional, so I'm taking the other half of the hair and I'm cutting it in half. And because the hair didn't wrap all the way down, I'm just going to wrap where it left off at, where it's like where it stops. I'm just going to wrap starting there and wrap all the way down. You don't have to do this, but if you want want your whole lock wrapped, then you can do it like this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I crocheted it in. This is a little different. So, open the loop. I'm going to put the crochet hook through my hair, hook the lock on, pull it through, and I'm taking my hair and pulling my hair through the loop, okay? I'm not pulling the lock through the loop. I'm pulling my hair through the loop because it makes a smaller knot. This is the finished look. I absolutely love this. Like, I love it, and it's the trend, you know. It's in style, it's popping. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram _dismissed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.